Dave Crook here, Sales Manager at Matsko Ag Repair. Today we're going to talk about the V6750 from McHale. It's a variable machine, but single belt baler. I'll start at the front here. It can be in a 540 or 1000 drive on the front. Comes with a cam or camless heavy duty pickup with a crop roller. Operator's manual used to be on the door side, now it's right here. Easy access. The two guide wheels for the pickup are on the front. This machine has a anti-block table in it. So what that means is when you get a big blockage in there, the clutch releases, you stop, you lower the table, the blocking table down, turn your PDO on, kick the blockage in, and put the table back up, and you continue. This machine also has what we call flex floor. So that's where it's on two rubber buttons where the floor is actually flexing slightly. So if there's a fairly big wad comes in there, it'll allow it to go through a little easier. McHale comes with a auto oiler and auto greaser. The grease tube on the side, 300 bales, an alarm will go off in the cab. You change the grease tube, auto oiler, fill the oil up. It'll oil the machine, all the chains. If you're getting not enough oil or too much oil, there's adjustments in the pump here. You can individually do each change by adjusting the nut on the top. Everything McHale does is heavy duty. So it's heavy duty sprockets, heavy duty chains, heavy duty springs. It's a commercial machine. It's well built. Up here you have the motor for the netter. And the way this is done, this is a hydraulic motor with some oil in it, and this valve here closes down, which allows the stretch to come onto the net, and that's controlled by the cab, inside the cab settings from 1 to 10, how hard you want to stretch it around the bale. Now coming to the back of the machine, we have the single belt on this machine, heavy duty commercial belting, no lace in it, endless belts, so there's no brakes in this belt. You have your main rollers here to start producing to make the bale, and you have the bale kick off the back, which comes up to allow the bale to stop here before the door will come down on top of it. On this side of the machine, you have the two big springs there. That's to start the density on the beginning of the bale, and the hydraulic ram on the back side of it will continue once it gets over 90 centimeters. That's where the hydraulic will take over and start forming the bale. Door latch is here. Extra set of greasing points here for the pivot points that can't run off the auto greaser. So there's one on that side and one on the other side. The clutch is here for the netter. The accumulator for the knives is here. McHale runs their knives on hydraulic pressure, not on spring pressure. So we have a very good chopping system. So if a rock or a stick or something would come in, it would hit the knife, push the knife back, and it would bring itself back again automatically, protecting the knife. Heavy duty chain for the drive, double roller, 16B, double chain on the drive, and easy adjustment for the chain adjustment on this side. On this side of the machine is where you place the roll of net. You lay the net down on the bottom, you put it between the rollers. It's very simple. Pull the arm down. Pressure is on these gauges here. This one is bale density. This one is stretch on the net, which can be adjusted from the back. Spare roll of net goes here, and all the safety guards on the top of the machine to keep you from falling in the machine. It's very safe. We put extra shielding on this machine just for that reason. Just a quick recap on the machine. It's 540 and 1000 available. Cam or camless pickup, 15 knives or 24 knives, auto greaser, net, single belt, commercial grade baler. If you have any other questions, you can contact us at social media. Thanks for watching.